Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I'm sure you can already tell from the thumbnail and the title and my once a year t-shirt that is clearly unironed, today's video is going to be a Halloween video. I am so excited. Not only am I trying on costumes, which is my favourite Halloween video to film, these costumes I bought last year, not in time to film for Halloween, and therefore I put them in the loft and I haven't seen them since and I don't know what they are. So I'm really excited to open this box of Halloween costumes and try them on with you guys. If you haven't seen any of my previous Halloween videos, I'll make a playlist and link it in the clickable I button for you. I'll also have them in the description. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna delve right in. I think these are a mix of Wish and eBay, but I'm gonna say they're mainly eBay. I think, but I mean it was last year, who knows? Okay, first Halloween costume. We're gonna go for this ominous looking, ominous? Okay Google, what does ominous mean?
Giving the worrying impression that something bad is going to happen.
Maybe ominous isn't the right word. It just doesn't look big enough to be a Halloween costume, but it does feel like it's vacuum packed. So, from the design, I'm gonna assume I've ordered a skeleton onesie type thing. Let's open you up. I was correct, it is a skeleton onesie. What I will say, very thin onesie. You can't see my hand through it, so I mean it's not that sheer, but very thin. Let's try it on, shall we? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I haven't tried on Halloween costumes in so long. I'm so excited. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, it's a little bit tight. Oh, look at my sexy kneecaps. I really feel like I've tried on a skeleton costume before. Have I tried on a skeleton onesie before? I just feel like I remember doing this with my kneecaps. Regardless, I've clearly forgotten about it. Yes! Kabam! What do we think of the first Halloween costume of the year? Quite like it. It is comfortable. It is movable. It is quite clearly a little skeleton with knobbly knees, and the knees are kind of sitting on my knee, but also there's a lot of baggage going on around this area, so it doesn't fit perfectly, but it is very comfortable, very movable. Can get in and out myself. Good. Don't have a skeleton mask. My face is ruining the effect. The material very much reminds me of thin, cheap exercise clothing, which means I can imagine if you're in somewhere warm and you get really hot because you're dancing, maybe you're in a club, you're gonna get really hot and sweaty in this. But it's so thin that if you go outside and you're not exercising, you're gonna be very cold. It'll be too hot for a club, too cold to go trick-or-treating. I don't know where I would wear this. Maybe a house party? Ooh! I also have a back! Yay, I have a skeleton bum! Yeah, I like this outfit. Have I tried on a skeleton onesie before? I really feel like I have. Halloween outfit number 2, coming up. Bam! It's a black and white Jester outfit called Jesterella. Smart. I've tried on a couple of Jester outfits. One was very much like this, and then one I'm pretty sure was red, black and white, but it had straps. This looks very boob tubey, which I'm not normally a fan of, so we'll see how that goes. We should be hoping for a dress, a choker, a headpiece, glovelets, eye mask, and garter. Stockings not included. Why would you include the entire outfit aside from the socks? Why would you do that? Why? Just don't. Ow. I just had a mini coughing fit. Excuse my watering eyes. If you're not going to include the socks, just don't put them on the packet. So I'm assuming this is the main piece. Ooh, we actually have little clear straps to hold us up. Oh, I see why. Okay, this is very thin. Can you see my hand through this? Yes, you can. This is really thin material. I thought from the picture it would be slightly structured. I think it's just because she's got big boobies and she's just padding it out. I will not. It's very nothingness. We have a little headpiece. Cute. One glove and another glove. Little glovelets. An eye mask. Neck piece. And then the final thing is this, which I've narrowed it down, I've cancelled it out, I've worked out this must be the garter, which I only know from wedding situations as the thing that goes around your thigh underneath your dress, I believe. Do we think my thigh can fit into something the size of, ladies and gentlemen, a scrunchie? Really? Really? I've just asked Google what a garter is, just to make sure that I'm correct that this goes around your thigh. This is supposed to hold up stockings. The stockings that they haven't provided me with. Why? 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 Why would you provide something to hold up something you haven't put in the package? I believe I meant to look kind of like a sexy joker. I don't think I could be further from that at this point. I feel like a little kitchen maid. We're gonna add the other accessories and hope that they do magic and I look great. You know what? That does actually instantly make a little bit of difference. Still don't look sexy, also feel like I'm now being choked, so this outfit gets better. Ooh, sexy. I will take this dance. Yeah, it does actually feel a little bit fancy, this thing. It reminds me a little bit of Cinderella for some reason. Would Cinderella wear little glovelets like this? Oh my goodness, that is tight. Oh good. Have you seen what this is doing to my eyes? I don't know if you can see. I sure can't. But this is not doing my eyes any favours. It's a very, very, very tight mask. Sitting like this would be okay, but then once this goes around here, my face is very squished. Surprisingly fits absolutely fine. I was wrong, I take it back. It's a good fit. I do wish I had some stockings for it to hold up. I can't see a thing. I can't see anything. They're just squashed. I'm taking this off. Look how cute. This is the full outfit. Now that I have all the accessories on, they do actually make a difference. I was joking when I said they'd do something magical. They have. I feel like I do really like this outfit. All I need is to go and buy a little pair of socks and then my outfit is actually pretty great. I did think this would be a little bit more structured, but you know what? It's sitting quite nicely. It's held on by two clear little straps, which I don't think are too obvious, especially with this here. It's sitting decently. This bit is actually really quite cute and puffy and soft. It's not itchy at all. It's quite nice. The headdress is staying up absolutely fine. I actually completely forgot I had it on, but it's great. The only thing that is obviously missing is the little mask, which is just way too tight for my obviously massive head. I'm assuming that some of you might actually fit the mask, and if you don't, you could just do a little face paint mask. I really feel like they were going for sexy, and I just think I feel a little bit cute in it. I have just seen the next costume. I don't know how I managed to put this in the loft and not try it on last year, because you're in for a treat. I am so, oh my goodness. I'm going to be a headless man. In the packaging, there is this thing, which is gonna be my fake shoulders and head, and then somehow it's gonna sit on my shoulders. I'm gonna stick my head through. Oh my goodness, I actually can't wait. I'm gonna take this costume off, put on my t-shirt and shorts, and then we're climbing into this headless man, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. Okay, let's open this. A whole contraption that I almost just dropped and possibly broke. My shoulders thing, my cloak, I'm assuming, and then these things. Right, there aren't really any instructions in this thing. It gives you a picture of this guy and he's got these on his shoulders. It's kind of all it tells you. I'm gonna try and attach these to that. Okay, wait, there's Velcro. This is very precarious. This is a whole thing. We have our contraption, the way I believe our contraption should go. So this is gonna go, ow, on my shoulders. My bun is totally gonna get in the way here. My arm's gonna go through these. Oh my, this does not feel safe. I really feel like I need someone to be helping me right now. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's not the most comfortable thing I've ever tried on. Kind of digging in to the top of the boobie region. but it's staying, so that's good. Just gonna slowly lower to the floor and pick up my cloak. Blooming massive. Wowee. Are you joking? There is only a neck hole here. This can't be opened, so I've got to get this over my new head. How on earth do you do this by yourself? Kind of, maybe. I'm squashed in here. Wait, are these for my arms to go through? They're very high up. This is really complex. And then I guess I just do this up. Ow! Stick my head through here. How's that looking? Does it look decent? Does it look like my head's popped off? Wait, I should really maybe hold my head, shouldn't I? Does it look like my head's fallen off? Is this a thing? Are we looking good? Does it look good? I can't really tell. I stood on the cloak and I tripped backwards, and have I broken anything? Just walking along with my head, just in my hands. Why not? My head fell off. So, how do you feel about the general election? What's the weather like up there? You know when people say they've lost their head? I almost did. Review of this costume. It's not the most comfortable, although you do get used to it. It's not the most practical, although you can do more in it than you'd think you could. It does give your neck a little bit of an ache, and you would have to hold your head all evening to make it make sense. But it looks amazing! I really do feel like this costume would get a lot of double takes. Like, people are a little bit confused for a moment as to how on earth your head is not on your neck. Also, you could technically wear this to the party, get all of the reactions, and then just take it off. Because I've got normal clothes under this, so it wouldn't be that weird to just take it off. I thought this would be easier to take off. It's really not. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh goodness, I'm stuck. Imagine arriving with your friends and you just stay on your knees so that your head's about here, and then your friend could just put their arm around your neck and be like, oh, your head's got, oh, are you right there? You know, or they could even pretend to hold your head. How amazing would that be? I think this is a brilliant, brilliant costume. Next costume. I do not remember ordering this. This looks mental. Reptile Mutante, or Mutant Reptile, maybe? It does look weird. Oh my goodness. What? Okay, so this is, oh, look at that face. That's horrible. That's actually horrible. I've got little dinosaur spikes, and then these are my arms. Look how insanely long they are. What? So this comes with little balloony type things. Stick this in here and blow them up, and then you have what they call pong bong sticks. I mean, okay. Oh, they do make a good sound. Oh, they make a great sound. I got 2 in the first packet, and then I got 2 packets. So I'm gonna blow all of these up. Pong bong stick at the ready. Oh, they are great fun. I wonder what they're actually used for, aside from this costume. And that's why I'm not a musician. There are no instructions. So it looks like I'm just supposed to put the pong bong sticks in my sleeves. I'm gonna put the outfit on first, and then I'll put the pong bong sticks in. Oh, there's a zip. Oh my gosh, that goes all the way up to the head. This whole thing is gonna be tragic. I mean, my bun's not even gonna fit in there. I'm in the costume, kind of. It's not the most flattering colour I've ever worn. Really wish I had someone to help me with this. I already look terrible. This is already not a good look. Oh, I like my little spikes. They look kind of cute. Okay. Right, let me take this off. I'm just going to take that off so that I can actually speak to you while I put these pong bong sticks in these sleeves. Do I just put 1 in there or 2? Oh my goodness. Now I have another little leg. Look at this. I don't think much of the mask situation, but the pong bong sticks are an amazing invention. I have 4 legs. Oh, I have 4 legs. This is great. This is amazing. Ooh. Okay, let's try and get this mask on. I don't think this is going to go too well. This is the whole situation. Definitely shouldn't have worn my hair in a bun today. My face is so squashed. Right, where are my eye holes? I'm in the headpiece. I can't barely talk. Oh, that's so much better. I feel like they should have put this away from my mouth a little bit. It is so tight that when I talk, I just sound really muffled. I look absolutely ridiculous. Oh my gosh, do you know how I feel like? I feel like that weird alien thing. This thing, what is it? I don't know. Oh, YMCA. Oh, breath. I'm so tired and I can barely speak.
Little dance montage because I couldn't find music to fit this part. So here is me doing a little awkward dance. Da 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 da. Do 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 boom boom.
I am so tired right now, it's unbelievable. Wow. My face was so squashed in there. My eyes feel like they haven't blinked for the longest time, but this outfit is kind of great. I could spend the rest of the night like this, and then maybe for photos and stuff, put my hands in, and it'll be absolutely fine. I really like this outfit. I'm gonna give this outfit a 9 out of 10. Plus the little dinosaur spikes are so cute. An inflatable bathtub. I'm just gonna open this one right up and jump in. So this is, oh, I have a little rubber ducky. Look at the little rubber ducky. Typical little fan, which needs a screwdriver to open. Our battery is installed, which means our fan is working. I'm guessing I stand in here, but I can't work out where the heck my feet are going. What? Oh, I see my feet holes. How could I? I just found this on the floor. I have a little shower cap. That'll do. 1 foot hole. Lovely jubbly. I feel like I'm a pro at inflatables. I really don't feel like I'm wearing bath time attire, but you'll have to forgive me. Ta-da! Oh, my ducky. Blow up. There's a strong chance this has been folded up for too long and the creases are just too much to handle. Yada-da-da. Oh, hello. Welcome to bath time with Jasmine and my duck. We're gonna call him Ducky. Really inventive, I know. I'm gonna go ahead and say it might be one of my least favourite inflatable outfits ever. I've tried on quite a few. If you've been with me for a while, I tried on the chub suit, I tried on the riding a horse thing, I tried on, I'm sure there was something else. It's just not really doing it for me, this one. I mean, sure, it's inflated, sure, looks a little bit like a bathtub, and sure, this is the cutest little duck. However, there's not really much to it, is there? If I'm going clubbing, I might not fit into the club, they might not let me in. I'd struggle to dance with anyone because no one can get close to me, which actually is great if there's creepy guys because you can't touch my booty. If I do go clubbing in it though, and I do have a little dance, at least my duck gets involved. Look at him go. Oh yeah, ducky, you go. Shake that booty, shake that booty. But yeah, privacy please, I'm in the bath. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up to let me know. Leave me a little comment down below letting me know which costumes were your favourite, how you'd rate them, if you'd wear them. I love replying to you guys, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Love ya, bye. It's Duck's dinner time. He's just pecking from my hand. Smart, eh?